Welcome to Read Along Kids!
Hey there, Read Along Kids. Welcome back to another amazing adventure. Today's story is called The Perfect Slime. In a world so bright and a room so neat, kids mix slime, a colorful treat. Start with glue, just a little pour. Add some colors, less or more. Stir it up and watch the colors blend. The fun with slime never ends. A lot of fun and a little bit of time. Mix it up and then see slime. Squishy, stretchy, soft and clear. Playing with slime brings joy and cheer. Watch it jiggle, watch it sway. The perfect slime makes every day. Pull it, twist it, make it dance. Plopping through slime gets a playful glance. Add some sparkles, shiny and bright. Glittery slime is pure delight. Soft as a cloud, smooth as a dream. Playing with slime is as fun as it seems. Try some scents, sweet or zesty. Slime's the best when it's so stretchy. Mix and match to find the best. Your perfect slime beats all the rest. In your hands, it's squishy fun. A playful race that's always won. Share your slime with friends who care. The perfect slime's a joy to share. In the world of slime, you'll find your way to make the perfect slime today. The end. Thanks for listening, Read Along Kids. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more great read-along fun. Until next time, bye-bye.